The recent mystery surrounding drone sightings over New Jersey has garnered significant attention, sparking intrigue and concern among residents, local officials, and federal authorities alike. Speculation has run rampant over the source of these mystery drones. Are they aliens, foreign adversaries, or some kind of government black ops? Or are they none of the above? They are none of the above. The truth is stranger than fiction. Join me, Josh Reeves, for my 54th documentary film as I reveal the truth about these drones that the powers that be are afraid for you to know. In The Drone Truth.
In the skies above the east, reports of mysterious drones.
Look, guys, there's one there, one there, one there.
Turning into thousands of posts going viral online.
Coming in one after one.
With people from coast to coast now spending a lot more time looking up and pointing their cameras into the night.
This is bizarre. There's more over there, look.
Some could be optical illusions, planes that seem closer than they are.
You can hear that one. That is definitely a plane.
But others have defied normal explanation.
What the f?
Car-sized drones operating for hours in restricted airspace and able to elude local law enforcement when they send their own drones up to give chase. In New Jersey, the Army reporting the Picatinny Arsenal has had 11 unauthorized drone incursions in the last month.
Look what's back again. Same spot as last night.
21 local mayors now demanding answers from the state.
The minute you get eyes on them, they go dark. This is something we're taking deadly seriously.
The entire month before that, it was nightly drone incursions over Langley Air Force Base.
Let's just start with current events.
Today, a congressional hearing on Capitol Hill on the national security threat drones pose.
What is going on in New Jersey?
We're investigating, but I don't have an answer of who's responsible for that, of one or more people that are responsible for those drone flights.
But for those who see them on a nightly basis,
not a plane, that is a drone in the airspace.
The drones are a very real reminder.
Almost hear a little bit of a hum.
That our airspace,
It's a very little thermal signature.
is not as secure as we might hope.